Hello everyone! Today, I'm sharing how I make the perfect sunny side up eggs. This is really easy and simple to follow, and I know it will help you elevate your breakfast game. So let's get started. To make this method fail-proof, I highly recommend using a non-stick pan. Heat a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat and swirl it around so it coats the pan. Give the oil a minute to get hot. Then crack your eggs into the pan and your eggs should immediately turn opaque and start to sizzle. Today, we're not going to flip our eggs. Instead, we're going to cook the top parts of the eggs by steaming it. So wait about 30 seconds, then cover it with the lid and turn the heat down to low. After 3 minutes, you can open the lid to check if the whites around the yolk have begun to solidify. Once that is happening, your eggs are ready. So I like drizzling soy sauce over my eggs and then dipping my bread straight into the yolk to get all that gooiness. Let me know in the comments below how you like eating your eggs. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!